What's up, BDR riders? Kyle Stevens here from BDR World Headquarters in Seattle, Washington. We are officially launching the 2026 BDR Supporter Program. For those of you that don't know, the Supporter Program is one of the leading ways that you can help support BDR's nonprofit mission and score some incredible discounts and gifts from more than 40 of our industry partners. If you want BDR to continue creating routes and riding opportunities, then join at one of the 3 supporter levels: bronze, silver, or gold, which I have here in front of me and I'm about to unbox. First up, we have the new annual BDR supporter shirt. This year we have a design that displays that you're a BDR supporter, and I'm actually wearing it right now. It's pretty sweet. It's a heavyweight long sleeve shirt with this cool new design on the back that represents that you support our mission. Next up, we have a Trail Tech Adventure Stand, which is a very valuable item and can be used to fix a flat tire if you don't have a center stand. It's very useful. We had a team member use it multiple times on the Montana BDRs. Then we have a BDR flask, which has been asked for a long time, and we have finally delivered. You can put anything from whiskey to maple syrup in this thing, and it's gonna make your time around the fire a lot more fun. Also, we have a BDR tote bag here, which makes us an official nonprofit. It can be used in a pannier or for any shopping needs. Here we have a personal favorite, a microfiber towel. It's a lightweight, packable. It has a little breathable case for you, and if you are jumping in the lakes on your BDR routes, you're gonna want this to stay dry. We've got a leather embossed BDR luggage tag. We have a BDR chocolate, dark chocolate of course. A staple for our supporters, our Mocha Mint chapstick. Cruise Tools Fix-It Kit, never know when you need some zip ties. And of course, we have the new Montana BDR route map. I had the chance to ride this route myself, and I think that everyone is gonna enjoy this first section with the gravelly range especially. We also have some various decals, including the BDR sticker sheet with the new BDR X stickers included. We have an educational decal, your supporter level decals to show off that you're a gold supporter, our new Montana BDR decal, and of course a little BDR shield. And last but not least, BDR exclusive discounts to dozens of adventure motorcycle brands, including Quadlock, TourTech, Moscow Moto, and many more. At the end of the day, BDR is a community effort with the goal to double the amount of routes in the next 5 years, and we cannot do it without your support. 80% of BDR's nonprofit funding comes from individual donors just like you. So click the link below and become an official BDR supporter today.